Привет! This is a series of Russian video lessons for beginners. I already have a playlist with such lessons right here. Check out this playlist if you are a beginner in learning Russian. Today you will learn how to talk about time in Russian. To do this, you need to know numbers, so I hope you've already watched lesson number 23. If not, go back and learn the numbers in Russian. You also need to know two important words. Час, час, minuta, minuta. Now you need to learn which forms of these words we use after numbers. So, 1 час, 2, 3, 4 часа, 5, 6, blah, 20 часов. And pay attention to this. 21 час, 22 часа, 23 часа, 24 часа. The next. 1 минута, 2, 3, 4 минуты, 5, 6, 7, 8, blah, 20 минут. Also note, 21 минута, 22 минуты, 23 минуты, and so on. Once again, I want to emphasize that the word час is masculine and minuta is feminine. So we say 1 час, but 1 минута. 2 часа, 2 минуты. It's also important to note that in Russian we use two time formats. For example, we can say 2 часа or 14 часов. How do we ask for time? We ask сколько времени or который час. Let's practice. Answer these questions. Сколько времени? 11 часов 25 минут. Сколько времени? 2 часа 15 минут. Сколько времени? 22 часа 40 минут. Or 10 часов 40 минут. The next question we will learn to answer today is во сколько. This means at what time. We are asking when, когда. When answering this question, we use the preposition в. For example, во сколько ты просыпаешься? Я просыпаюсь в 8 часов. So you just use the preposition в and then say the time. I also want to note that, of course, people don't always say the words час and minuta in casual conversation. They might just say 10, 20, for example. And, of course, Russian also has words for 30 and 15 minutes. 30 minutes is полчаса. The word полчаса consists of two parts. Пол means половина, a half. So полчаса literally means half of an hour. 15 minutes is четверть. Четверть она. It is a feminine noun. We say четверть часа, where час is in the genitive case. In this video, I explained how to talk about time in Russian at the A1 level. Of course, there are more complex forms, but we will discuss those in higher level video lessons. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Увидимся! Пока-пока!